Hi guys, welcome to this lesson on the effects of migration and the impact of cultural diffusion in Europe. We'll be continuing to talk about culture, and you're going to, by the end of this lesson, learn the impact of cultural diffusion and how to define that. But first, we're going to talk about migration to Europe because we've already learned that Europe has been on the receiving end of cultural diffusion due to migration from North Africa and Southwest Asia. Some migration is forced because of war, and some migrate to find job opportunities that are not available in their countries. So, what is the impact of cultural diffusion? We also know that migration leads to cultural diffusion. This can change the character of a place like Europe, where Christianity is the main religion, but you can find many mosques. And that is something that you should definitely write down in your ISN as you are taking notes. Cultural diffusion causes a multicultural society, but what is the impact of cultural diffusion on individuals and world societies like Europe? One impact that I want you to explore more on your own and be able to identify is the tensions that are being caused because of the cultural diffusion. Some tensions have emerged as governments try to address Muslim practices like wearing veils called burqas and hijabs by banning them. Many Muslims think this is wrong. So what you're going to do is you will have access to a slide presentation where you will put your name at the top of the slide. You're going to add 3 to 5 bullet points of information that show an example of tensions caused in Europe between Muslims and non-Muslims. Your example can be a video that you find, a news article, or another resource. I want you to also add an image to help you explain your example because the rest of the class will have an opportunity to look at what you are identifying as tensions in Europe. In your own words, the last thing you're going to do on your slide is tell how this is an example, how this example is impacting the people of Europe. Basically, you're going to tell how Muslims living in Europe are affected because of the cultural diffusion. So you'll be searching for an article or a video or another source and share it with everyone so that we can have access to it. But not only share that video or article, summarize it in 3 to 5 bullet points or less and let us know what that article or that video is all about. By the end of that, you'll be able to create a product that shows what you know, and then you'll have opportunity to share that with the class as well. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.